Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Pump.fun off-chain indicator on Axiom. First, log in to your Axiom account and ensure your subscription allows Pulse features. Now, navigate to the Pulse or Trade Pulse dashboard from the main menu. Let Axiom sync real-time market data and any linked wallets automatically. Here, enable Solana token feeds in settings since Pump.fun runs on Solana. In Pulse, use the source filter to select the Pump.fun feed only. Locate the off-chain indicator column and toggle it on for display. Then, save the layout or workspace so the column stays visible every session. Create a saved filter showing tokens with strong off-chain signals for quick access. Understand the off-chain signal as early momentum detection, not a guarantee. Always open the token's details before trading. If the column does not show, refresh or recheck your feature settings. Trade carefully with small amounts, as Pump.fun launches are high risk. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.